po isang buong lechong baka kinakain.
Yun naman ang kalokohan.
Alahi kami ng matatakaw eh.
Pero wala pa rin sa airpot ko.
Mas matindi pa ron?
Yes.
Bakit na naman?
Airpot ko kumakain ng ilaw eh.
Ayan ang kalko.
Yan ang totoo.
Hindi kinakain ng ilaw.
Ibahin mo, airpot ko kumakain ng ilaw.
Ang airpot mo, kumakain ng ilaw?
Oh.
Paano nangyari yun?
O isang gabi, narinig ko, sinabihin nanay ko, Ling, patayin mo ng ilaw at kakainin ko na yan.
Hoy! Ibang ilaw yun!
Iba ba yun? Kala ko pre-pre walang ilaw.
Mukhang marami kumakain ng ilaw dito ah.
Porque alam natin ang Pinoy comes to music kapag manyan wala hangganan.
Totoo yun.
Tingnan natin ang audience natin, how far they can go as far as music is concerned.
Sa papanong paraan?
Ba't di natin ibalik ang awiting sumikat noong 1950s and 1960s?
Aha.
Alam natin, majority sa guest natin yan, hindi na inabot ang awiting yan.
Totoo naman yun siyempre.
Pero tandaan mo, kaibigan, na pagiging music lover ng Pinoy, nasa puso't walang hangganan.
Right.
Kapag ang inawit ko yung nagustuhan nila, malalaman mo yan sa pamagitan ng palakpak.
Papalakpak sila.
Yan, kapag inawit ko yung nagustuhan nila, the same way, malalaman mo rin yan sa pamagitan ng palakpak.
Sandali lang. Ibig mo sabihin, parang contest tayo, parami ng palakpak.
Call ka?
Alam mo, mas maganda, lagyan natin ng pusta.
Sure.
20,000.
2,000 malapit sa katotohanan.
2,000. Maestro, music. Remember, remember, oh, oh, oh.
Only you, yes, can make
Dami.
all this world seem right.
Dami mong kamag-anak ha.
Tunay yan. Only you
1-0.
can make the darkness bright. Only you and you alone can truly keep like you do. And the thrill my heart would love, oh, only you.
Don't
Wala.
ever leave me. Wala. No, don't
Pasalamat ka na awa sila.
say goodbye. If you do, I'll be the lonely one. I'll sit down and cry over you.
My prayer, yes, yes, is to linger with you.
Kaya mo, sinesenyasan mo eh.
2-0. Bakit?
Penalty!
Ano yung basketball?
Walang din, 2,000 lang eh.
And your lips close to mine.
Para sa mga senior citizen,
Yes.
you give your hand to me.
Wow!
And then you say,
I love
thank
that
you.
song very much.
And I can't hardly speak. My heart is beating so. And anyone could tell. You think you know me well. No, you don't know